Hajardwari Palace is situated on the bank of Bhagirathi, distributary of Ganga, in the historical city of Murshidabad in West Bengal. Murshidabad named after the first independent Nawab Murshid Quli Khan. It was a capital of Bengal Bihar province during the Mughal period. The construction of this magnificent palace was commenced on 29 August 1827 and completed in 1837 at the cost of 16.50 lakh during the period of Nawab Nazim Humayun Jah Bahadur for the purpose of holding darbar, official works of Nawab and residence for the high-ranking British officials. The architect of this palace was MacLeod Duncan. The palace named after thousands of true and false gates. It is a three-storied brick building made in Italian style and contains 50 halls. It is 424 feet long, 200 feet broad and 80 feet high. The first floor is reached by an external flight of stairs which count 37 numbers. The whole building is divided into 3 blocks and connected by corridors and rooms. Between the central block and each of the east and west block are 2 open quadrangles. The main attraction of this palace is Grand Darbar Hall or Throne Hall surmounted by a dome which is 63 feet high from the center, and a superb chandelier is hanging from the center of the dome which was gifted by Victoria to Nawab. The Toshakhana, the armory, the record room, and various offices are located on the ground floor. On the first floor, there are drawing room, banqueting hall, billiard room, bed and office rooms. On the second floor, there are the library, the ballroom and bedrooms, etc. The palace holds extremely rich collection of antiquities of the Murshidabad Nawab as well as the Britishers, which include old arms and weapons, bronze, marble and alabaster statues, costumes and jewelry, palanquins and carriage hoda, object of gold, silver and ivory, wooden furniture, old paintings on canvas, etc. In order to protect and preserve, it was converted into museum which was being maintained by Murshidabad Estate. The palace was declared as Monument of National Importance in 1985 and later, on 11 August 1991, Syed Nurul Hassa, the Governor of West Bengal, officially inaugurated the museum. In the present time, 20 numbers of galleries are opened for the visitors. The Hajardwari Palace is the best tourist destination and attracts a lot of visitors every year.